Hey y'all, I'm Chase. This is my family. We decided to start a YouTube channel to kind of document our journey. So we're at a big transition in our lives as a family. I have transitioned careers. So just finished with the Marine Corps. We have moved back to where my wife Crystal's from originally, in Middle Georgia. And we bought our farmhouse and a little bit of land. It's been a dream of ours for the past 14 years. Started creating this dream when I was in Afghanistan in 2010, and it's finally starting to come to fruition. There's a lot of big plans. The farmhouse needs a lot of love. The land needs a lot of love, but we got big plans for it. On this YouTube channel, you're going to see a ton of things. You're going to see a lot of things on this YouTube channel. We're going to take you through as we recreate this farmhouse that has been neglected for years, and as we redo it, maybe hopefully you can draw some inspiration, or if you're thinking about doing things in your home yourself, maybe give you the courage to do so. We're going to redevelop this whole land. We're going to bring in gardens, we're going to bring in pastures, we're going to bring in livestock, all kinds of different animals. So it's going to all be new to us. So lots of learning.
We literally have zero idea.
Yeah, we have no idea. We have always lived in suburban homes by the beaches, in bigger cities, with HOAs and neighbors. So now coming out to the country, it is
create a little homestead.
Create a little homestead. That's kind of, we wanted to build some independency. Everything that research and everything that's coming out now about where your food comes from, and the impacts of the type of food and where you get it from. So we kind of wanted to break ground and dive into that, and start making our own food, and just kind of getting back to just as being people, just like earlier in the earlier days, how they did things. So this is kind of, we're going to use a lot of things. Now that I'm done with the military, I do have a full-time job. I work for a commercial general contractor, but we're all entrepreneurs at heart. Like I think all of our girls are. They are. All three of them have their own business ideas. They want to create their own little companies, and we absolutely love that. We support it 100%. So that's kind of update for the purpose of this YouTube channel, and kind of the projects that we're kind of undertaking. Personally, I already told y'all about me. I'm in this transition period from military to being a civilian again. We are still homeschooling the girls. No changes there. Ella has taken up horse, Western riding. Ava is still full-blown in gymnastics. And Maddie is also diving into competitive gymnastics now. The laser business is
You forgot to say you were a cheerleader.
Still up and running. We have moved it here. We kind of shut it down for a little bit as we transitioned here to Georgia and getting all this stuff set up. But probably another breaking news point is Ava, who's been a competitive gymnast for years. She is now, in addition to competitive cheer and a dual enrollment homeschool student, she has decided to take on cheerleading. So that's very new for us as well. Which she said she would never do. Which she said she would never do.
We have to keep bringing this up. Yes.
So you'll probably see in some of our videos, if there's anything relating to cheering, us probably making fun of her.
But we're proud of her for trying
new things.
But
we're proud of her for trying new things.
And we have big things coming up with the laser business.
Yeah, huge things.
That's another video.
That'll come out in other videos of what the future of Ava's Boutique, which many of you have supported Ava's dream in growing it from you know, the small homeschool project
She was 12.
that it was, you know, 4 years ago to what it has become now.
Right about here.
The pastures and horses.
You want to get horses?
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
I'm really excited about my gymnastics stuff that I'm putting in the house, and I'm excited for when I get to play in all this land and riding four-wheelers and
Oh, the
getting-
four-wheeler.
and getting all the horses.
Yeah.
And
What are you most excited about, Ava?
I'm most excited for having our own place where I can invite my friends over.
Yeah. And like being settled for a long time.
Yeah.
She's like moved so frequently. What are you most excited about?
I am most excited about us building Freedom Farms. Like, I have a red notebook that,
It's gonna come in a different video too.
you know, come in different videos, and we'll kind of outline what Freedom Farms is really going to be. But this idea I came up with in, you know, 14 years ago on the other side of the world.
Yeah.
And, you know, we have always talked about it. This been a goal of ours.
Yeah.
And so, you know,
we're gonna have so much fun, and we hope you like this video. Freedom Farms out.
There you go.